murder retrial of Christopher Clements continuing today at the courthouse in downtown.
Clements is the man accused of kidnapping and killing 6-year-old Isabel Celis back in 2012. A new trial began this month following mistrial last year.
KGUN 9's Kenny Dar was in court today. He joins us live. Kenny, what did we learn today?
Well, Pat, Heidi, the state brought 7 witnesses to the stand this morning, including former ex-girlfriend of Clements, Melissa Stark, and the lead detective of the case, Josh Cheek. Both Cheek and Stark the only ones questioned by the defense. Stark, the former girlfriend of Clements and the one who notified the FBI back in 2017 that Clements knew where Isabel's body was located following a phone call from him while he was in jail. Stark admitted that she was instructed by Clements to look for a piece of paper located under some rocks outside the home they were living in at the time. That paper containing a note with the name Isabel Celis, written in what she recognizes as Clements' handwriting. Her cross-examination and testimony lasting about an hour. Testimony resumed this afternoon with the state questioning more witnesses, one of them not in court. All but 3 witnesses knew Clements personally when asked. 2 of the 3 were shown photos of their daughters, neither of the witnesses recognizing the photos or who took them, but they did identify their child. The other witness was one of the little girls in one of the photos taken. She also didn't know Clements or who took the photos. The lead detective, Josh Cheek, testifying for over an hour, admitting that those photos shown to previous witnesses were all found on an iPad belonging to Clements on an app called My Secret Apps. Now, the day ended with the defense questioning Cheek about exhibits that were presented by the state. Just earlier, they also questioned him about that 2017 phone call between Stark and Clements because, according to Cheek, no record of that phone call was ever found, despite the fact that all phone calls are recorded between inmates and anybody that isn't the inmate's attorney. Now, the judge said that the trial will resume tomorrow morning here at the courthouse. For now, reporting from the Pima County Superior Courthouse, Kenny Dar, KGUN 9.
All right.